Today, we're in the stunning village of Abbots, Morton, located in between Pershore and Worcester. Let me show you what's on offer at Morton Wood Farm. Morton Wood Farm offers 2 large reception rooms as well as this fabulous farmhouse kitchen. On top of all this, you have the light and airy conservatory with views over the garden. Upstairs, you will find 6 bedrooms spread over 2 floors, with each floor offering its own family bathroom. Outside, the property offers a 5-acre paddock. On top of all this, there's also a garden with patio seating area and even a small allotment, perfect for growing fruit and veg. So if this property tickles your fancy, give me a call in the Country Homes office.